Hey, hi friends. When we talk about the home interior designs, most people focus on walls, furnitures, lighting, or decor items. But there is a one element that silently defines the beauty, luxury, and personality of our home. That is the flooring designs. So, friends, today we are going to talk how a beautiful floor tiles gives a stunning look to our house, and also I'm going to share their latest price and how much it will cost for installing the floor tiles designs. So, friends, if you are planning a new house renovation or interior upgrade, this video will help you to make the right flooring decision. The floor is the largest visible surface in any home. So, the moment someone enters your house, the first thing they notice subconsciously is the flooring. So, a beautiful floor tiles create a clean and organized appearance, set the mood of the interior, modern, classic, or a luxurious. So, instantly it increase the visual value of the space. Even with the minimal furniture, good floor tiles can make a house look premium and well designed. So, floor tiles plays a major role in defining the overall interior theme. Like finished tiles gives a luxury and a elegant look of marble finish, and a large format tiles makes rooms look spacious and modern. So, by selecting the right tile color, texture, and size, you can easily match your flooring with the wall colors, furniture designs, even in the lighting style. So, this is why interior designers always finalize the floor tiles before other interior elements. And one of the biggest advantages of floor tiles is durability, because high quality tiles can easily last 15 to 25 years with proper maintenance. They are scratch resistant, long bearing, and load bearing, suitable for heavy furnitures. So this makes the floor tiles a long term investment for your home. And floor tiles are extremely easy to maintain. Simple sweeping and mopping is enough, so no special chemicals required. Stain resistant surface. So compared to marble, wood, or carpet flooring, tiles are the most hygienic and hassle free, especially for our Indian homes. And water and moisture resistance, because tiles are ideal for living rooms, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, total overall the house. So they do not absorb the water easily, which prevents the dampness, bad odors, mold, and fungus. And this is especially important in humid and monsoon climates. And also there are budget friendly options available. Floor tiles are available in wide range price range, whether your budget is low, medium, or premium. So you will always find a ceramic tiles, vitrified, double charge, or a glaze vitrified tiles. So this flexibility makes our tile suitable for all types of homes. So it also enhances the space and lighting. So light color and glossy tiles reflects the light, making the room brighter, airy, and more spacious. So this is very helpful for small flats and apartments. And tiles naturally remain cool, which help in hot climates, reducing the indoor heat, maintaining the comfort. So this is one of the most reasons tiles are widely used in Indian homes. And it also adds a property value. So good quality floor tiles increase the home resale value, rental appeal, overall property aesthetics. So buyers always prefer homes with a well maintained and premium flooring. So friends, now I'm going to discuss about the price. So I'm going to discuss about the kajaria tiles. So kajaria premium digital tiles, it will cost you around 60 rupees per square feet. and standard quality tiles of kajaria, it will cost you around 50 rupees per square feet. So friends, and the tiles sizes are available in 2 by 2, 2 by 4. These are the most commonly used tiles. In 2 by 2 you will get in box, so there are four tiles are available which covers the 16 square feet area, and where 2 by 4 there will be a two tiles. So you can select as per your requirement, as per your room size, but my suggestion that if your room size is bigger, your living room or bedrooms, so you can go with the 2 by 4 tile. So friends, let me take example to understand that how much it will cost for floor tiles installation plus tiles costing. So suppose your floor size is 150 square feet, and suppose for tiles we will take as a 50 rupees per square feet, so it will cost you around 7500 rupees for the tiles, and another charges will be including like labor fitting cost. So labor fitting charges will cost you around 20 rupees per square feet. So for 150 square feet area, it will cost around 3000 of labor charges, and so the total will comes is 7500 for tiles and 3000 for labor fitting. So it will cost around 10,500 rupees, and another extra is that's white cement. It will cost around cement, and we will take 1500 rupees for that. So around it will cost you friends 12,000 for 150 square feet area.